A lot of platforms start strong and quietly fall apart under real extended use. The concept I've been most focused on lately is pretty simple. What if you need stablecoin liquidity, but you don't want to sell your crypto to get it? Like you believe in the positioned tokens, but you need another right now for something else. Is there a way to get it without closing your trade? Turns out yes. You lock your crypto as collateral, borrow funds against it, and when you're done, you repay the loan and get your crypto back. So, I've been testing one app for about 4 months, and today I'm going to walk through it. And before I finish, I'll also cover how I personally figure out whether a platform is worth trusting, because right now, this skill genuinely matters. Alright, so here's the app, and here's Setup Calculator. This is literally where the whole thing happens, nothing tucked away somewhere else. Step 1, I select the asset I'll lock as collateral, the deposit backing the loan. And straight away, the asset list here is solid. Practically, I don't have to convert anything first. I work directly with what I'm already holding, BNB for example. Next, I set the amount of tokens. Then I pick the asset I want to loan, going with Ethereum. Then I set the loan term, how long I need this contract to stay active. And after that, I configure loan to value. In plain terms, it's the percentage of the collateral's current value that I'm borrowing. So if my collateral is worth 1,000 USD worth of BNB, and I set LTV at 50%, I'm getting 500 as the loan. But here's the part that matters. If BNB drops in price and my collateral value falls, that ratio starts creeping up. And if it hits the ceiling, the platform sells my collateral automatically to cover the loan. So the lower I keep LTV, the more room I have if the market moves against me. I always keep a buffer here because volatility in crypto is real, and that buffer is what keeps the position from getting wiped on a bad day. Okay, I hit proceed. So right here, first I copy and save my contract ID somewhere I won't lose it. That's the unique code tied to this specific loan. It's how I get back into the dashboard at any point while the loan is running. So now I send the collateral via Wallet Connect that handles this step automatically. Good, transaction submitted, sitting on the network, platform registers it once it confirms. My loan was approved, and here's the full contract summary, total amount, interest rate, duration, everything that applies to this loan from here on out. Let me just go through each number and make sure it all matches what I set up. Yep, every single detail is exactly right. Good, so now I enter receiving address where ETH is going to be sent to. Okay, that's done. Now I wait for balance update. There it is, protocol executed everything cleanly. So this dashboard, this is where I manage the loan for its entire duration. The way I get back in here is through that contract ID I saved earlier. That's the only access point. From this screen, I can see the current state of the collateral, track how the LTV ratio is sitting relative to the limit, and make any adjustments if the market starts doing something I need to respond to. You genuinely have to keep an eye on this. It's not a set and forget situation. So, now we'll explain the actual concept in plain terms, because I want to make sure this is completely clear before I move on. So, I have crypto. I don't want to sell it, maybe because I think the price is going higher, or maybe I just want to keep the position open. But I need ETH right now. So instead of selling, I lock my tokens up as collateral. The platform releases ETH against that value, and I go use it however I need to. My ETH is still there, still mine, still moving with the market. When I'm done, I repay the loan, and BNB comes back to me. Now compare that to just selling on an exchange. The second I sell, the position is gone. If BNB pumps the next week, I've missed it entirely. Here, I don't miss it. I stay in the position and still get liquidity I needed.